delivery. Good afternoon, hapit ng gabi. Kaning unit is 4x2 Tiptronic power window for delivery to Surigao City. Kaning unit 4x2. Check na to. Basic setup for car wash pa na siya. Power window, and then naka-stereo. Piyaya horn. Napod siya ceiling fan. Seat cover. Ang likod niya is naka third seat, back seat included. Plate holder. And then kaning isa pa Butuan City for delivery also. Captain seat 4x2 non-turbo. So power window front non-turbo. Makulang ani need pa ni ugma car wash detailing. So delivery ani target Saturday. Within Saturday. Tauran pa pud nig mga bumper. Captain seat. Alright, tuman mo. Metallic brown. Kani Wigon 4x4. Dual slide delivery to Butuan. Tauran pa pud ni siya ugma og bumper og top load. Siya loaded setup. Wigon 4x4. Naka seat cover. So target ani mga delivery Saturday morning. Okay. Tapos siya back seat. Wigon 4x4 dual slide. Sabay ni siya og deliver. Metallic brown. Ini siya pearl white. Kani siya bluish gray. 17 4x2. So, ano siya? Sabay na siya delivery. Saturday. Wigon 4x4. Butuan. Kani Butuan. Metallic brown. 4x2. Semi-Wigon. And then kani Surigao City. So, sabay na siya og delivery. So, thank you. Good afternoon. Hapit ng gabi.